Hello guys, I am Tanveer. You are watching ARYHOST.com channel. In this video, I am tell you how to install WordPress plugin using a WordPress dashboard. If you are subscribed our channel, please subscribe him and press the bell icon for latest video. If you have not domain and hosting, go to your browser and type ARYHOST.com. ARYHOST.com, the best web hosting provider company in all over the world. Select any plan. Our fast support WhatsApp, live chat, select any plan and go to your WordPress dashboard. degreeserial.com. I log in. Go to appearance. Go to plugin. Add new. Search any plugin. I search SEO. Used SEO search plugin. Install now. Activate him. Yes. Our plugin installed. See him in WordPress dashboard sidebar. In the next video, I am to tell you how to install WordPress theme using a cPanel. You take care. Goodbye.